Welcome to the Crunchy Teacher channel. I'm Marsha Appling-Nunez, and today we are going to get jammin' with Jamboard. Jamboard is a Google Workspace tool that functions as an interactive digital whiteboard. An important thing to note about Jamboard is that while it works on computers, mobile devices, and tablets, the functionality changes between the devices, so you will want to advise your students accordingly. To find Jamboard, click on the waffle in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and scroll down to find Jamboard, or type jamboard.com in the Omnibox. Once you're there, click on the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner and be sure to rename your Jamboard. Educators can open Jamboards within Google Enterprise Meet sessions for impromptu collaboration or planned activities through Drive. The interactive digital whiteboard redefines synchronous lessons with the draw feature to write on directly on the whiteboard, sticky notes, text word boxes, and inserting photos. These are really exciting ways for students to express themselves during synchronous lessons. These exciting features facilitate engagement and collaboration for students in class and staff during team meetings. A few successful ways Jamboard can be used are check-ins to see how your students are feeling, identifying elements of a text like parts of speech or a thesis statement, brainstorming topic ideas before writing, and organizing and activating prior knowledge with drag and drop activities or Venn diagrams. To facilitate activities in ways that maximize student engagement that students can edit under the share button before class. Assign jobs or roles to students. Resize, rotate, edit, duplicate, and add frames prior to an activity. Change the edit feature immediately concluding a lesson. Copy the link and share it in Google Classroom so that students can go back and review a lesson and support autonomy. Thank you for jamming with Jamboard. I'm Marsha Appling-Nunez on the Crunchy Teacher channel.